ब्रोधा V यार क्या बताओ जानवर भाई ये क्या तरीका है ये छुट्टी मोटे रैपर
Push the dark boys.
Talk it up, we stay fly. Play smart like a chess with AI. I'm all the buzz like beehives. The rapper your moms want y'all to be like. I'm at this computer event with the musical heat that could fuel the jet. Label same, my persona don't fit the requirements of what the consumer expects. You little cubicle plebs, your views are proof to be future regrets. You're so with your best, remove you from the scene like Angelina Jolie to express. I'm here to debunk your rage, show the world why you punk so lame. You rappers, you claim that you run the game, but then open for me for the chunk of change. Got checks to prove that I'm bragging, y'all are just elusive, like a damn pad abroad. I'm going to the ground that is alien size, the way I'm forever to stay my prime. We're dying farmers shouting louder than the panelists, bending and spinning facts like a googly pitch. But the truth's hard to miss like a Bruce Lee kick.
Yeah, it is.
See me jumping out your jukebox, hit you with that breeze of awesomeness through your woofer. As you watch me fling open the door to slide through, the mere glimpse of me through. Now give me the microphone and look at me spitting the cycle on while I'm chilling the winning